Holy Spirit, thank you.
Hi, good morning. Have a wonderful and fruitful day. Let us thank the Lord for He is good and His love endures forever. Let me share to you today the words of wisdom. This is a godly wisdom from the book of Proverbs, because I believe with all my heart that a Proverbs a day keeps the fools away. So listen, my friends, and learn the powerful principle for life. It says in Proverbs chapter 13 verse 3, guard your words and you will guard your life. But if you don't control your tongue, it will ruin everything. So my friend, learn the power of our words, because the Bible also declares in Proverbs, life and death are in the power of our tongue. So my friend, be careful to your words. Watch your words, because it will become your actions. And regards your thoughts, of course, it will become your words. My friend, pray and think through before you speak, because words can build up lives or it can destroy or ruins lives, even your personal life. If you want a long life, guard your words. My beloved friend, just a reminder to everyone, and I declare to you, Shalom, Shalom, peace and grace be multiplied to everyone. God bless you more. Bye.